mechanical drafting device that is used for CAD programs. The cost required to buy the plotter is high. Flatbed plotter, the paper remains stationary to the flat surface. These are the certain areas we can able to use flatbed plotter. Hello everybody, a warm welcome to my new session. I am Revati, faculty, Department of Computer Science, Vidhyaashram First Grade College, MYSURU. We are on the third session of output device. Moving on to today's session, at the beginning, I'm going to discuss what is plotter. Then I'm going to deal with the two types of plotter. In that first one, what is drum plotter? Then the second one, what is flatbed plotter? Before going to start my session, let's recall the things what we studied in the last session. In the last session, we studied one of the output device, it is printer. There we studied what is printer, what are the uses of printer. At the same time, we studied two different types of printer. In that first one, impact printer, and the second type is non-impact printer. In type of printer, we studied dot matrix printer, inkjet printer, and laser printer. Moving forward, in the today's session, I'm going to deal with plotters. So here plotter is also the example for output device. I repeat, output device. So here plotter is a computer hardware device like printer. I repeat, a plotter is a output device and it is similar to printer. Dear students, I repeat that a plotter is a output device and the working procedure is same as printer. So, the hardware device that works like printer and it is mainly used to print vector graphics. I repeat, the plotters are mainly used to print vector graphics. Instead of ink or cartridge or toner, we are going to use pen, pencil, marker and other writing tools like draw multiples, etc. I repeat, in printer, we are going to use toner or we are going to use cartridge. Dear students, in plotter, we are going to use pen, pencil, marker. But whereas in printer, we are going to use toner or cartridge. Then a plotter is a special type of output device. I repeat, here plotter is a special type of device and it is mainly used in the areas like architectural plan, then CAD application, then many engineering application. I repeat, the plotters are mainly used in the areas like architectural plan of the building. Next, it's also used in the areas like CAD application and it is also used in the areas like engineering application. Moving forward, let's see the advantages of plotter. So, it can be able to produce high quality output. I repeat, it can be able to produce high quality output on large sheet. Where the second advantage here is it is used to provide the high precision drawing. I repeat, it is mainly used to provide the high precision drawing. The third advantage here is it can produce graphics of various size. That means by using plotter, you can able to produce large size of graphics. The speed of producing output is also high. I repeat, the speed of producing output in the plotter is very high. Moving forward, what are the disadvantages of plotter? Students, the size of the plotter is large compared to traditional printer. I repeat, the plotters are quite large compared to traditional printer. Then what is the second disadvantage? Here the plotters are also much more expensive. I repeat, the plotters are much more expensive than your traditional printer. Moving forward, let's see the difference between plotter and printer. We know that both the plotter and printers are the two type of output devices. So what is plotter? It is a device that is mainly used to draw the pictures on the page with the help of commands. I repeat, here plotters are mainly used to draw the image with the help of commands, whereas printer is a device that brings images and text on the page with the help of commands given through a network. So here printer is also a output device that brings images and text with the help of commands given through a network. Dear students, what is the second difference of plotter? It is expensive. The cost required to buy the plotter is high. So it is cost effective. Whereas the printer, it is less costly compared to plotter. Then what is the third difference? The third difference is by using plotter, you can able to draw the continuous line. So it's possible to draw continuous line. Whereas in the printer, you cannot able to draw continuous line. What is the fourth difference? It works on slow speed. That means the working speed is very slow. Whereas the printer, it works on fast speed. That means the printing speed is high comparatively plotter. Then what is the fifth difference? Here the software it supports is Adobe Installer, Corel, CAD, etc. Whereas printer, it supports softwares like Photoshop and image editing programs, etc. The sixth difference with respect to plotter here is it gives the output in a format that is similar to vector graphics. I repeat, the plotter is mainly used to print vector graphics, whereas the printer is mainly used to take the output file data in a bitmap or pixel. I repeat, in printer, the output is taken in the form of bitmaps and pixels, whereas the next difference under plotter is, that is the example. Example for plotters are, here it is drum plotter, flatbed plotter, etc. Dear students, where some of the examples for Printers are dot matrix printer, inkjet printer, laser printer, line printer, etc. These are the some of the difference between plotter as well as printer. Moving forward, we are going to get two types of plotters. What are the two types of plotter? That is drum plotter and flatbed plotter. Let's discuss these two types in detail. What is drum plotter? The name itself indicates that it consists of drum. I repeat, it is an example for output device, as the name itself indicates that it consists of drum. And the paper on which the design is made, that is kept on the drum. I repeat, the paper on which whatever the designs are made, that paper is kept on the drum. The drum can able to rotate in both the direction. I repeat, drum can able or capable to rotate in both the direction. Here, plotters are comprised of one or more pen. I repeat, a plotter may contain one or more pen, or it is also called pen holder. I repeat, it may contain one or more pen and pen holder. The holders are mounted perpendicular to drum surface. I repeat, in drum plotter, the holders, that means pen holders, are mounted perpendicular to drum surface. Then the pens are kept in the holder, that is pen holder. Pens are kept inside the pen holder. Now, pen holder is responsible for moving forward and backward. At the same time, it is also responsible for moving left to right and right to left at a time. Here, the graph plotting program. I repeat, in drum plotter, the graph plotting program controls the movement of pen and drum. Dear students, I repeat, the graph plotting program is responsible for controlling the movement of pen and drum. It was the first output device used to print graphics. So, the drum plotters are the first output device that is mainly used to print graphics and large engineering drawings. So, it is mainly used to print graphics as well as large engineering drawings. Dear students, there are two types of drum plotter. In that first one, it is external drum plotter, and the next one, it is internal drum plotter. So, in the external drum plotter, the paper is wrapped around its external surface. I repeat, the paper is wrapped around its external surface. Whereas in the internal drum plotter, the paper or sheet is wrapped around its internal surface. So, in internal drum plotter, the paper is wrapped around the internal surface. Dear students, moving forward, it is flatbed plotter. So, here flatbed plotter is mainly used to draw complex design, graphs and charts. I repeat, it is mainly used to draw complex designs, graphs and charts. So, in the flatbed plotter can be kept over the table. A flatbed plotter consists of pen and holders. I repeat, it consists of pen and holders. The pen can draw characters of various sizes. That means it is possible to draw the various size of characters with the help of pen. There can be one or more pens. I repeat, a flatbed plotter may have one or more pens and pen holding mechanism. So each pen has ink of different colors. I repeat, each pen has ink of different colors. Different colors helps to produce multicolor design of document. We know that a plotter may have one or more pen. So each pen is capable to hold different colors of ink. With the help of different colors, it is possible to produce multicolor. I repeat, it is possible to produce multicolor design of documents. Then, dear students, the different color helps to produce multi-design of document. The floating area is variable. I repeat, the floating area is available in the flatbed plotter. It is A4 to 21 into 52 inches. I repeat, the size is A4 to 21 into 52 inches. A flatbed plotter is a mechanical, I repeat, it is a mechanical drafting device. So here flatbed plotter is a mechanical drafting device that is used for CAD programs, or that is mainly used for CAD application. So here flatbed plotter is a mechanical drafting device and it is mainly used for CAD programs. The paper remains stationary. I repeat, the paper remains stationary on a flat surface and the pen moves across it horizontally and vertically. In flatbed plotter, the paper remains stationary to the flat surface where the pen moves across horizontal and vertical. This plotter may use several different pen colors to create and graphics. We know that a plotter may have one or more pen. By using these pen colors, it is possible to create multiple color document. The size of the graphics is limited to the size of flatbed plotter surface. I repeat, the size of the graphics is limited to the size of the flatbed plotter surface. Moving forward, what are the uses of flatbed plotter? So where we can able to see or where we can able to use flatbed plotter. Dear students, these are the certain areas you can able to use flatbed plotter. So it is mainly used for drawing purpose. Then it's also used in the areas like cars, ships, aeroplanes, shoe and dress designing, road and highway designing. These are the certain areas we can able to use flatbed plotter. Moving forward, we are going to get the difference between flatbed plotter as well as drum plotter. What is the first difference? It is mainly used to draw images to limited length. As we know, we can able to draw the graphics up to the surface of flatbed plotter. Whereas in drum plotter, we can able to draw the image with unlimited length. Then what is the second difference? In the flatbed plotter uses table-like surface to draw image. I repeat, it uses table-like surface to draw the images. Whereas in drum plotters, it uses rotating drum. I repeat, it uses rotating drum or cylinder to draw the image. Then the third difference is it uses one or more pen with different color. I repeat, it uses one or more pen with different color, whereas it uses more than one pens with multiple colors. I repeat, it uses more than one pen with multiple colors. The fourth difference, it is a mechanical device. So, a mechanical arm is used to hold the pen. I repeat, a mechanical arm is used to hold the pen in flatbed plotter, whereas in the drum plotter, pen are mounted on the drum. I repeat, in the drum plotter, pens are mounted on the drum. Dear students, the next difference with respect to flatbed plotter is the movement of the pen is fully depends on the software instruction. That means the movement of the pen is fully depends on software instruction. Whereas under drum plotter, the movement of the pen is fully depends on the movement of drum or cylinder. Dear students, the next difference with respect to flatbed plotter is it is costly than drum plotter. That means the flatbed plotter is costlier than your drum plotter, whereas your drum plotter is cheaper than flatbed plotter. Dear students, these are the few difference between flatbed plotter and drum plotter. In the today's session, we studied what is plotter. A plotter is a device. The functionality or working procedure is same as your printer. At the same time, we studied the two different types of plotter. They are drum plotter and flatbed plotter. I hope today you enjoyed my class. Dear students, in the next session, I am going to discuss screen image projector. Thank you for watching my videos. Let's meet in the next session. Until then, take care. Thank you.